Today I'll be telling you all that you need to know during my stay at the Renaissance One Creek Aruba Resort. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. During my stay here, I booked a 1 king bed guest room for 4 nights and 5 days on the Marina Hotel Tower side, which is the adults only side. They also have a family side of this resort as well. There's also a casino on the property, a Starbucks, as well as a number of different restaurants that we'll later on get into. But for now, I'm going to give you guys a full room tour. Now, immediately as you walk in, on your left, you're going to see your closet, which has an iron, an ironing board, some complimentary robes. You're also going to see your coffee maker, a safe, and a mini fridge. To your right, you'll then see your bathroom, which comes with this beautiful vanity mirror, a number of different towels and washcloths, and your usual shampoo and conditioner, as well as body wash. They do have housekeeping service that comes around 1 or 2 p.m. every day as well. As I stated previously, I did end up getting a king bed, and this bed was so comfortable and so spacious. Spacious enough for about 2 people to get a good night's rest. They have this full body mirror in your room as well, so you can get a nice glimpse of yourself every day before you step out. There's a flat screen TV as well as this bench. Now this bench was probably my favorite feature in the room because every morning when I would order room service for breakfast, I would pull up the table and just enjoy my nice view of outside, listen to the waves, listen to the birds chirping, and I also got a nice glimpse of the Marina. Downstairs in the lobby, they did have this bar that had great food and great cocktails. I did try this place once. I ordered a pina colada as well as a Caesar salad, and they did not disappoint. The service was good as well as the food. I absolutely loved it. Now we're going to get into one of the restaurants that I dined at for dinner during my stay, which is LG Smith's Steak and Chop House. I absolutely love this place. From the food to the service, I got complimentary bread and butter, a complimentary meatball with like this radish sauce. For my entree, I ordered the lamb chops, which were medium. My mom, she ordered onion rings. I ordered the mashed potatoes, and my mom ordered ribs. The food as well as the service here was so phenomenal. The food was well seasoned. They also gave us this free dessert, which was like this chocolate ice cream ball. It was my mom's birthday, so we also got this complimentary apple crumble. Overall, I absolutely love my stay at Renaissance One Creek. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you in my next video.